Imagine this, you're on Mars, red dust stretches to the horizon, but inside a dome something incredible is happening. You reach out and pluck a bright red strawberry. It's ripe, juicy, and grown right here on Mars. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of space exploration. Growing food on Mars is essential for long-term missions. We can't keep supplying astronauts from Earth forever, it's too expensive and unreliable. We need to learn how to live off the land, even if that land is on another planet. And that's where space farming comes in. Space farming is about more than just fresh food, it's about survival. In the vast expanse of space, where resources are limited and the environment is harsh, the ability to grow our own food becomes a lifeline. It's a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Imagine relying on a supply ship that takes months to arrive. The uncertainty, the waiting, the dependency on Earth for every meal. This is the reality for astronauts on long-duration missions. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. Now imagine that ship gets lost. The consequences are dire. Without a reliable source of food, missions could fail, and lives could be at risk. This is why space farming is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Growing food on Mars provides a safety net. It means that even if supply lines are cut off, astronauts can still sustain themselves. The ability to cultivate crops in an alien environment is a game-changer for space exploration. It ensures our astronauts have a constant source of nutrition. Fresh vegetables and fruits are not just about sustenance, they provide essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining health in space. But space farming isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. The act of growing and nurturing plants can have profound psychological benefits. It offers a sense of purpose and a connection to life. It's also about creating a sense of home. In the cold, sterile environment of space, a touch of green can make all the difference. Plants can transform a habitat, making it feel more welcoming and less alien. Imagine a Martian base with a greenhouse, a place where astronauts can escape the harsh realities of their mission and find solace among the plants. It's a sanctuary, a reminder of Earth, and a symbol of hope. The smell of fresh herbs, the taste of ripe tomatoes, these things can boost morale. They provide a sensory connection to Earth, a reminder of home, and a taste of normalcy in an otherwise extraordinary environment. They can remind us of Earth, even as we explore new worlds. As we push the boundaries of human exploration, space farming will be a cornerstone of our efforts. It represents our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to thrive in the most challenging conditions. Beyond Earth's bounty lies the promise of a sustainable future, both on our home planet and beyond. We're already learning how to farm in space. On the International Space Station, astronauts have grown lettuce, radishes, and even chili peppers. They've shown that plants can grow in microgravity. This is a huge step towards Martian farms. But Mars isn't the ISS, it has its own challenges. One big one is the soil. Martian soil is full of salts and lacks nutrients. However, scientists are finding ways around this. They're developing special fertilizers and experimenting with different growing mediums. Two of the most important elements for plant growth are water and air. Luckily, Mars has some of both, even if they need some processing. Water ice exists beneath the surface and in the polar ice caps. This ice can be melted and purified for irrigation. The Martian atmosphere, though thin, contains carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. We can extract carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and feed it to our Martian gardens. These gardens in turn will release oxygen, making the air breathable. Section 5. The red planet's harsh conditions. Its surface, covered in reddish soil and rocky terrain, tells a story of a planet that is both fascinating and formidable. Mars presents some serious challenges to farming. The soil, while rich in iron oxide, lacks the organic materials and nutrients that plants need to thrive. This barren surface is a testament to the planet's harsh environment. The gravity is only about 38% of Earth's. This reduced gravity affects not just human movement but also the way plants grow. Roots may not anchor as firmly, and water distribution within the soil could be vastly different from what we experience on Earth. We don't yet know how this will affect plant growth long-term. Experiments in controlled environments have shown promise, but the long-term effects of low gravity on plant physiology remain a significant unknown. The temperature is also a problem, with an average of -63 degrees Celsius. These frigid conditions mean that any attempt at farming must include robust temperature control systems to keep plants from freezing. And then there's the radiation. Mars lacks a magnetic field to deflect solar and cosmic radiation, exposing the surface to levels of radiation that would be harmful to both humans and plants. Mars has a thin atmosphere that doesn't block much radiation from the sun. This thin atmosphere also means that the planet cannot retain heat, leading to extreme temperature fluctuations between day and night. But we're finding ways to overcome these challenges. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop technologies that can make farming on Mars a reality. From advanced greenhouse designs to innovative soil treatments, the efforts are as varied as they are ambitious. We can build greenhouses with artificial lighting and temperature control. These greenhouses can simulate Earth-like conditions, providing the right amount of light, heat, and humidity to support plant growth. We can shield them from radiation with Martian soil or specialized materials. By using the very soil of Mars as a protective barrier, or developing new materials that can block harmful radiation, we can create safe environments for plants to grow. We're developing solutions, step by step. Each breakthrough brings us closer to the dream of sustainable farming on Mars. It's a journey of innovation, resilience, and hope, as we strive to turn the red planet's harsh embrace into a nurturing environment for future explorers. Section 6. Technology, the seeds of innovation. Technology is key to space farming. We're using LED lighting to provide plants with the perfect spectrum of light. We're creating closed-loop systems that recycle water and nutrients. And we're exploring the use of CRISPR technology to engineer plants that are more resilient to Martian conditions. These technologies aren't just for Mars, they have the potential to revolutionize farming here on Earth as well. Imagine using closed-loop systems to conserve water in drought-stricken areas or engineering crops that can withstand the effects of climate change. Section 7. Destination Mars, a green future. Several future missions have space farming on the agenda. NASA's Artemis program, which aims to establish a sustained presence on the Moon, will serve as a testing ground for technologies that could be used on Mars. SpaceX, with its ambitious plans to colonize Mars, is also investing heavily in space farming research. These missions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers, and they're bringing us closer to a future where humans are a multiplanetary species. Section 8. Reflections of a Martian greenhouse. Imagine standing inside that Martian greenhouse. Sunlight streams through the dome, illuminating rows of green plants. You breathe deeply, inhaling the scent of fresh herbs and vegetables. It's a small piece of Earth on a distant planet. This greenhouse represents more than just food. It represents our ingenuity, our resilience, and our determination to explore the universe. It's a testament to the power of human collaboration and a beacon of hope for the future. Section 9. A new Eden for us all. The lessons we learn from space farming will benefit us all. As we venture into the cosmos, we are not just exploring new worlds, we are also discovering innovative ways to sustain life. These lessons are invaluable, not only for our survival in space but also for improving agricultural practices here on Earth. They'll help us grow food more efficiently and sustainably here on Earth. Imagine a world where food scarcity is a thing of the past, where every community has access to fresh, nutritious produce. The advancements in hydroponics and vertical farming are paving the way for such a future. These systems use less water, require less space, and can be implemented in urban environments, bringing the farm to the city. They'll inspire new technologies and approaches to agriculture. The integration of robotics and AI in farming is revolutionizing the way we cultivate crops. Automated systems can monitor plant health, optimize growth conditions, and even harvest produce with precision. These innovations not only increase efficiency, but also reduce the physical labor required, making farming more accessible and sustainable. And they'll remind us that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way. The resilience of plants in space greenhouses is a testament to the adaptability of life. By studying these resilient crops, we can develop varieties that can withstand extreme weather conditions on Earth, ensuring food security in the face of climate change. So the next time you bite into a juicy strawberry, remember that one day, that strawberry might come from Mars. The idea of space-grown produce becoming a part of our daily diet is not just a dream, it's a tangible future. These strawberries symbolize the potential of space agriculture to provide fresh, healthy food for astronauts on long missions, and eventually for people on Earth. And remember that the journey to Mars is a journey for all of us. Every step we take towards Mars brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The research and technology developed for space missions have far-reaching benefits, from medical advancements to new materials and energy solutions. This journey is a collective human endeavor, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve together. It's a journey towards a future where we live in harmony with our planet and reach for the stars. As we look to the heavens, we are reminded of the fragility and beauty of our home planet. The pursuit of space exploration encourages us to take better care of Earth, to develop sustainable practices, and to cherish the interconnectedness of all life. Together, we can create a new Eden, not just on Mars, but here on Earth as well.